Herbs have been a cornerstone of my witchcraft practice for as long as I can remember. Each herb carries its own unique energy and properties, making them powerful allies in our magical work. Let's dive into how I incorporate herbs into my practice. First, I always start with intention. Before I even touch the herbs, I take a moment to ground myself and focus on what I want to achieve. Whether it's protection, love, or healing, the intention sets the stage for everything that follows. One of my favorites is rosemary. It's not just a culinary herb, it's a powerful protector. I often burn rosemary as incense during rituals to cleanse the space and ward off negative energies. It's also great for enhancing memory, so I'll sometimes keep a sprig nearby when I'm studying or preparing for a big decision. Then there's lavender. This beautiful herb is known for its calming properties. I love to use it in spell jars for peace and tranquility. A simple jar filled with dried lavender, a few crystals, and a written intention can work wonders. Plus, it smells divine, which makes the whole process feel even more special. Another herb I frequently use is mugwort. This one is particularly interesting because it's known for its dream-enhancing qualities. I often place it under my pillow to promote vivid dreams and even to facilitate lucid dreaming. It's like having a little guide in the dream world, helping me explore deeper aspects of my subconscious. When it comes to love spells, I can't overlook rose petals. They symbolize love and beauty, and I often mix them with other herbs like cinnamon for a little extra spice. A simple ritual might involve creating a love sachet with dried rose petals, cinnamon, and a personal item, infusing it with my intentions for love to flow into my life. I also enjoy working with herbs for healing. For instance, I use chamomile for its soothing properties. It's great for calming anxiety and promoting restful sleep. I'll brew a cup of chamomile tea before bed, infusing it with my intentions for peace and relaxation. It's important to remember that the way we connect with herbs is deeply personal. I encourage you to explore and find what resonates with you. Maybe you'll discover that basil brings you clarity or that sage helps you feel grounded. Experimentation is key. I keep a journal to document my experiences with different herbs, noting how they make me feel and the outcomes of my spells. This practice not only helps me refine my craft, but also deepens my connection to the natural world. Ultimately, using herbs in witchcraft is about building a relationship with the plants around us. They are not just ingredients, they are partners in our magical journey. So, whether you're a seasoned practitioner or just starting out, don't underestimate the power of herbs. They can transform your practice in ways you might not expect, opening doors to new insights and experiences. Embrace the magic they offer, and let your intuition guide you.